A stainless steel loading dock inside a spotless factory receives crates filled with whole golden brown potatoes, still lightly coated with dry soil. While workers in light blue uniforms, white helmets, white gloves, and gray boots stand ready. The crates are placed onto a motorized conveyor where workers scan batch codes, confirming origin and freshness as the potatoes slowly move forward. Potatoes spill gently from crates onto a wide stainless belt, rolling evenly under soft white LED lighting that reveals their natural earthy color. Workers remove stones and damaged potatoes by hand, placing rejected material into separate steel bins beside the line. An automated size sorting system vibrates beneath the potatoes, allowing undersized pieces to drop through while uniform potatoes continue ahead. A safety misting tunnel releases a fine sterilizing spray over the moving potatoes, leaving their surfaces slightly glossy. Digital screens above the line display green indicators confirming contamination-free intake. The clean intake stream flows smoothly toward the washing zone without interruption. Potatoes enter a rotating drum washer where pressurized water jets strip away remaining dirt. The washed potatoes emerge darker and wet, tumbling slowly as excess water drains through perforated steel. A second rinse stage cascades purified water over the potatoes, restoring a clean golden brown tone. Soft nylon brushes rotate around each potato, polishing the skin evenly without damage. The conveyor carries the potatoes through a temperature-controlled holding corridor to stabilize internal starch. Steam rises gently as potatoes enter a sealed peeling chamber. Heated steam loosens the potato skins uniformly across the batch. Rubber rollers remove the skins, revealing smooth, pale yellow potato flesh. Sensors identify remaining skin fragments and redirect those potatoes for reprocessing. Fully peeled potatoes continue forward, identical in size and color. Peeled potatoes enter a slicing chamber filled with synchronized spinning blades. Each potato is sliced into thin circular pieces with perfect consistency. Fresh slices fall into a cold water flume, immediately preventing oxidation. Cloudy starch washes away as slices drift gently downstream. A secondary rinse clears remaining starch particles from the water. Workers monitor clarity gauges mounted along the flume. Slices rise onto a perforated conveyor, shedding water evenly. High-pressure air knives blow away surface moisture, leaving slices clean and matte. The slices appear uniformly pale yellow and translucent under factory lighting. A final optical inspection confirms thickness and shape. The slices glide into a long stainless fryer filled with hot circulating oil. Tiny bubbles form instantly as moisture escapes the potato slices. The slices begin changing from pale yellow to light gold. Oil flow arms keep chips submerged evenly to prevent sticking. Temperature sensors remain steady across the fryer length. Chips gradually curl at the edges as structure firms. The golden color deepens uniformly across all slices. Chips approach the fryer exit with a crisp, rigid shape. A lifting conveyor pulls the chips from the oil. Excess oil glistens briefly on the surface. Chips enter a centrifugal drum that spins rapidly. Oil is flung outward and collected beneath the drum. Chips exit drier, maintaining their golden sheen. A warm conveyor spreads chips into a single layer. Fine salt begins falling evenly from overhead dispensers. Chips enter a rotating seasoning drum. The drum gently tumbles chips to coat all surfaces. Sensors confirm even seasoning distribution. Chips exit the drum with a subtle sparkle of salt. Cooling air flows across the chips, locking in crisp texture. Cooled chips move into a staging hopper. Automated scales release exact portions into stainless funnels. Bright yellow chip bags form below the funnels. Chips drop cleanly into each bag without breakage. Heat sealing bars close the bags airtight. A nitrogen puff inflates each bag slightly. Vision systems scan seals for defects. Faulty bags divert onto a side conveyor. Approved bags move toward box-forming machines. Flat cardboard folds into rigid cartons automatically. Bags are placed neatly into each box. Workers verify correct bag counts per box. Tape seals the carton flaps securely. Batch labels print and apply to each box. Boxes move toward robotic palletizers. Robotic arms stack boxes precisely on pallets. Shrink wrap coils tightly around each pallet. Pallets settle under consistent white lighting. Forklifts transport pallets into climate-controlled storage. Temperature sensors glow green along storage racks. A random box is opened for inspection. A bag is checked for proper inflation. Chips are examined for color consistency. Texture testing confirms crispness. Oil residue levels are digitally verified. Boxes are resealed and returned to pallets. Screens display images of raw potatoes from intake. Data confirms farm source and soil conditions. Frying temperature logs match specifications. Seasoning dosage records align with standards. Color charts confirm golden shade consistency. Full traceability chain is approved. Engineers calibrate slicing blades. Fryer oil filters cycle clean oil. Conveyor joints receive lubrication. Air knives are pressure tested. Seasoning drum rotates empty for balance checks. Floors are scrubbed by automated cleaners. New potatoes identical to the first batch arrive. Sterilization mist coats the fresh intake. Washing drums rotate steadily. Steam peeling repeats identically. Smooth peeled potatoes emerge. Precision slicing resumes. Water flume removes starch again. Air drying prepares slices. Slices enter hot oil. Bubbling intensifies instantly. Chips turn light gold. Curling edges appear uniformly. Chips exit fryer crisp. Centrifugal oil removal spins. Seasoning coats chips evenly. Cooling stabilizes texture. Weighing funnels portion chips. Bags form and fill. Seals close cleanly. Boxes fold and fill again. Pallets stack uniformly. Shrink wrap tightens smoothly. Potato peels collect for recycling. Water filtration systems purify rinse water. Oil waste is safely stored. Energy dashboards show efficiency gains. Recycling bins fill with trimmed packaging. Environmental metrics update automatically. Workers open a finished box. A bag is opened revealing golden chips. Chips pour into a stainless display tray. The chips match the color and texture of the original potatoes. Pallets roll toward loading docks. Trucks are aligned for shipping. Pallets slide into truck interiors. Straps secure the load. Truck doors close slowly. Shipping data syncs digitally. Inventory updates across systems. A final quality seal is logged. Workers stand beside the finished shipment. The factory floor remains spotless and quiet. A final display shows perfectly golden potato chips. The finished chips visually match the raw potatoes introduced at the beginning, completing the full industrial transformation.